This is a 2022 BMW K1600 Grand America. This is the big brother to the K1600B Bagger. And really the only difference between the two is Grand America has the Tour Pack. Now this bike, even though it is a 2022, is a brand new bike. It has an MSO. It's never been titled, never been registered, so it's a brand new bike. And because of that, the warranty on this, which for BMW on their motorcycles is 3 years, 36,000 miles. The warranty on this will be good until March of 2028. Now it has a 6-cylinder 1600cc engine, packing 160 horse and about 120 something pounds of torque, and it runs as smooth as any motorcycle engine you'll probably ever experience. Just an absolute smooth running powerhouse. You can ride this bike cross country, or you can go out and rip the Twisties with it. It's a 6-speed manual transmission with a quick shift, similar to that on a race bike where you can go up through the gears without using the clutch with the throttle on. It has hill start control. It comes in real handy if you're loaded up with your gear and you're on a hill, stoplight, stop sign. And we've all been there. You know, you got your foot down, you got your foot on the brake, you got the clutch in, you're working the throttle, you're trying to take off without stalling it or rolling backwards. Well, this bike will hold itself on a hill without having to do all that. And as soon as you let the clutch out and give it the gas, away you go. That's almost a 7-gallon fuel tank, so you have a lot of range. Nice looking fuel door. Electric windshield, so you can find absolutely the exact sweet spot for the wind protection. And then when you turn the bike off, the windshield retracts. Turn the bike back on, and it goes back to the position you left it at. So you don't have to look for that sweet spot again. There's a little compartment right here where you can put your phone in there. Hook it up, charge it, Bluetooth it into the system for your tunes. It has AM, FM, weather band, also XM radio. Being a 22 model, it has the TFT color screen, which is very big for an info screen. And through the BMW Connect app, you can put your GPS navigation on the screen, and it'll fill up just about the whole screen, so you can really see it real well. Now it has heated grips, ABS, cruise control, adjustable levers, security system with a key fob, central locking for the top case and the side cases, and you can activate that either with the key fob or a button on the right handlebar. Dual heated seats with separate controls, rear speakers for your tunes, and really good speakers up on the front on each side, so you get really good sound out of this bike. Instead of highway pegs, it comes with highway floorboards, and then underneath the floorboard is your engine guard. There's LED driving lights, LED headlights that are adaptive, ABS brakes. It's a BMW. It's loaded up, ready for the highway, ready for your next adventure or your next rip through the Twisties. Now for comfort, I've added the 2-inch BMW risers, 2 up, 2 back. And I've put a few miles on this bike since I picked it up to add it to the inventory, because I just love riding these bikes, and it just makes it a lot more comfortable for the seating position and your hand position. There's the controls there for the back seat for the passenger's heating. The front seat and the hand grips are in the info system through the menu. Now it has several riding modes. It has a rain mode, where on a wet road you won't spin out with all the horsepower and torque when you take off. It has a road mode. Which is basically for your cruising. Gives it a really nice ride on the suspension. It has a dynamic mode, which is full-on map, full power, stiffens up the suspension. Go out and rip the Twisties. It also has the automatic leveling for the suspension. So regardless of what your load is, whether it's just you or you and a passenger or you and just your luggage or no luggage, or loaded up with all your gear in a passenger, it'll automatically level the bike and then adjust the suspension accordingly depending on the riding mode you're in. Has the build sheet, which is in German, and of course the owner's manual. There's your mileage, 163. Now, if you're in the market for a touring bike, take a real good look at this 22 BMW K1600 Grand America. Like I said, this is a new bike, not a used bike. It's a new bike. It has an MSO. It does have 163 miles on it, and I put a few of those on there myself, because you know you got to test ride them. For information on how to put this beautiful Grand American in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now, our prices are out the door. We don't charge what I call the mystery fees. There's nothing added on as admin fees or title fees or dock fees or freight fees or setup fees. None of that hooey. Just a good, honest, out the door price. Come by and give this baby a test ride. Fly into our Springfield airport. We'll pick you up at the airport and ride this beauty home. Thanks for watching our video.